Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download the Ice Cream Horror Neighborhood game on your phone. So this will work with any mobile device, whether it's Android, iPhone. It's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is go to the App Store. It doesn't matter if it's the Google Play Store or the App Store, it's going to be the same thing on your phone. So once you've got there, you're going to get a little search bar. Click on the bottom right if it's on another page already. Then you're going to want to type in Ice Cream 3. You're going to type that in and then you're going to search it. And there might be a little ad at the top, but if not, you should see the name of the game there. To the right of it should be Get. As you can see for like the episode 2 version, it says Get there. The reason why I've got the little cloud with the down button on it is because I've downloaded it before. But what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click Get there. It should be Get, even though mine is a cloud. But then it's going to kind of depend on how good your download speed is. If your download speed is good, this will be a very quick process. If not, might be a longer process. But also, there is a link in the description below. If you want to download it for that little link there, then you can see like on the App Store, Google Play Store and the App Store for the iPhone. As the iPhone and Android versions are both there in the description below. If you like put the description down, you'll be able to see the links there, you'll be able to click them and you'll be able to download them through that. But if not, you can do it like I've shown you on screen now. So once that's done, you can click open, or if not, you can just go on your like apps page, scroll along to where it is, and then you can see like the ice cream there. So you can click open. On the other part, I'll click it on here, and then it's going to load it up. So pretty much this right here, obviously it's going to be like sideways on the screen now just because of how it's recording. But once you've done this, you don't actually need to log into anything or like set up an account. It's just going to be you're just going to be able to click play, and then it's going to be able to do it for you. So it's really simple, this one. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you're playing this game, and also click one of the links on the screen to see more videos and how-tos on this game and others like it. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.